Hey gang, so one of the things you can do when you're trying to grow your online presence is actually look back at all the stuff that you've done in the past via, say, YouTube and actually optimize the older videos because YouTube's really good at making sure that the video gets the right audience. The algorithm is great in that. And the updates that you do kind of triggers a re-look at that video and a further push. So your content may be great, but it just got very low views. And that might be because of things such as titles, descriptions, thumbnails, keywords, loads of different bits. So what we put together is a custom GPT that you only have to put the title and description of the video in, and it will do the rest and suggest it. Better still, it will give a step-by-step playlist of tasks to a VA who could do this for you. So if your VA's got some spare capacity and you've got a load of historic videos, then why don't you get them to have a play like this? So for example, here's some older videos 2 weeks ago, 7 months ago that I could be working on. And you could simply go through here, find one like this that's kind of got a bit of a boring kind of title, not many views, and simply just go into that video and kind of look at it and go, well, actually, that was quite a good video. And actually, well, I don't know why I haven't got anything going on here. So we go onto the custom GPT that we built, this AI tool. You click start here. We'll have the link below this video for you to be able to get on top of this. And then simply just follow the instructions. So it's asked you to copy and paste the video title and description, right? So we just go into here. Here's the video title. Lovely. Chuck that in. And then description, go into here, press more, get the entire description. Here we go, lovely. And then just dump that in there, press return, and let it do its thing. It's being built in a way to make it super easy to put in. So it's going to do a diagnosis. It's talking about the title is clear but lacks urgency and specific appeal. It can perform better with a stronger phrasing and curiosity. And a compelling call to action as well. So here's some titles that it's suggesting that I could actually work on. Then it also gives some thumbnail concepts. So a couple of different thumbnails. So for example, book calls that convert, and then visual, you smiling confidently, laptop open with upward arrows and chat icons behind, right? And so this is great because not only are these good ideas, but of course, these are things that your VA could look at. They could pick the best one. They could do this work and then make these changes. You don't even need to touch this because at the end of the day, those videos aren't doing anything. So you might as well see about trying to get them reinvigorated. It's now giving a rewritten description. So again, we've got a nice description, and you can also make sure that you put your free chat link in here. Now that's using an old chat link. I don't even use Calendly anymore, which this video is obviously still linking the Calendly link. So that's quite interesting. So hopefully then you'll be able to manually kind of override that and get the right link. And then you've got subscribe, more hashtags in here, even more suggested tags that you can go and add in when you, this content is edited in the back end, because it's not just this. When you actually go and edit this video, you'll have a number of different places where you can add these things. So actually thinking about this and going, well, hang on, why have I not added in a few of these settings that I could do and added in some of the for example, end cards, which we'll come on to, make sure it's in the right playlist. You can go in and start to edit these things. And then internal linking, so suggested playlist if you wanted to update the playlist. Pinned comments, so actually below this video, I don't have any pinned comments, so I don't have any comments at all. So I could be able to put a comment on there myself and actually pin it. So I'd simply just go in here and take, copy, paste that, comment it on my own video, and then pin it to it. And here's that VA action checklist, which if you don't have a VA, you could just do this yourself. If you do have a VA, you could just give them this action checklist. Look, if you don't have a VA, probably somewhere around this video as well as a link to the offer that we have, which is to be able to give you a VA. So if you want to do that, no problems. But here you go. Here's a 7-step. And ultimately, they could just spend a few days just going through all your old videos, adding in all these links, and then lo and behold, you're going to start to then have a channel that looks better. Maybe even the thumbnails will have a bit more brand consistency around it, and also then start to generate more leads and more views for your channel. Cool. I hope that's helped, guys. So have a play with this. Let us know how you get on. Big love and take care, and I'll see you on the flip side.